Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and today I'm going to prepare my favorite fruit salad. And the ingredients that I'll be using are pineapples, mangoes, bananas, watermelon, yogurt, vanilla flavored, and sultanas. Before I start cutting, you have first to make sure that your hands are clean. So I've cleaned my hands, they are clean, and I'm going to cut the fruits into small pieces. So let's go. So now I've taken my clean bowl. So what I'll do, I'll put the mangoes, the bananas, so now I'll mix the mangoes and the bananas. As I told you that if your visitors are here, you can mix all the ingredients together. So I'm mixing all of them because my guests are here. Mix again. Mix again. Then I put the pineapple. So see how they look. So in this stage, I'll mix the raisins. You can use 2 of these or even 1. For this one, I'll use 1 because it's a lot. This is the raisins that I'm using. Sultan cake fruits. So I'll mix again. So this is how it looks. So after mixing well, now we have to put the yogurt. So this is the yogurt that I'm using. This is vanilla. Put half of it first. You mix. Mix well. Put another one. Mix again. Make sure every fruit has the yogurt on it. So one of these 500 gram is enough for, let's say, 6 people or 7, because this fruit salad is enough for 7 people. I'm going to serve 7 people. Inakaa tantalizing. Mix again. So it's ready. So you can chill it for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then you serve. So the fruit salad is chilled now, so I'll be able to serve. You can serve in a bowl, you can serve in something like this, a side plate, venye tu unajisikia. Sawa sawa, hakuna pressure. Hapa haina pressure, hapa haina pressure. You see how it is. Inakaa poa. Wow. Nice. So this is how it is. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much and God bless you. And please leave a comment if you like this video. Tell me what other ingredients that you'd prefer on your fruit salad. At least we share this video with your friends, with your family, and like, and see you in the next video. Yay! Bye bye.